Omkar bindu sanyuktam nityam dhyayanti yoginah kamadam mokshadam chaiva Omkaraya namo namaha. Hello all, hope all of you doing well. In this video we are going to see a step-by-step process how we can start Omkar chanting and how we can achieve super benefits from this Omkar chanting. Many of you may be practicing this technique Omkar chanting, but in order to get ample amount of benefits from this chanting, you need to practice this chanting effectively, and for that thing we need to practice this technique systematic manner, step by step. So in this video we are going to see how we can practice this technique step by step process. Swami Vivekananda ji once said that if you want to achieve a good success, a good level of concentration is must for all. So if you are really serious about increasing your concentration level, please watch this video till the end. Om is one of the important sound in the universe, and it has been chanted for thousands of years. Many books says that if you practice this technique diligently with utmost passion, you can also attain a level of enlightenment. So Om consists of three words, A, U and Ma, which represent three Vedas, Rigved, Yajurved and Samaved. Also it represents three Shaktis, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, as well as three life scenarios, born, life and death. A means Akar, U means Ukar and Ma means Makar. So Om is a combination of A, U, Ma. You may feel that how three words, A, U, Ma, can bring magic in your life. How they can bring magic in your life. When you pronounce A, no parts of our lips and palate is touched. When you pronounce U, sound is rolled from very end to the board of surrounding of our mouth, and by closing the lips, Ma sound is produced. When you chant Om, it creates the vibration at three important parts of our body: at the navel, chest, throat and at the brain. When you chant A at that time, it creates a vibration at the spinal cord. When you chant U at that time, it creates a vibration near to your throat and thyroid and parathyroid glands. I am also attaching one of the research paper, and it shows that by chanting Om, by practicing Om chanting, we can also get rid of thyroid. You can check that research paper. I'm giving the link in the description box down below. And when you chant Ma, it creates a vibration at the brain. So it increases the efficiency of our brain, and eventually it improves the memory power and concentration power. Now we will see how we can practice this Omkar chanting. For starting this sadhana, or you can say practice of Omkar chanting, the rules are same for like yogic practice. Now we will see how we can practice this technique practically. So we need to understand this. A, U, Ma. We know that Omkar consists of three words. Now we have to chant Omkar one cycle for 10 seconds. And how we can distribute 10 seconds? A should be chanted for 3 seconds. U should be chanted for 2 seconds, and Ma should be chanted for 5 seconds. A, U, Ma. 3 plus 2 plus 5 equal to 10 seconds. So this 10 seconds is for beginner, and if you are if you want to practice some advanced technique, this time will also increases. I prefer to chant Om for 10 seconds because it also depends on 1-to-1 lung capacity, because we need to take some deep breaths before starting with this practice. Now sit straight with your spine erect, sit cross-legged. If you are not able to sit on the ground, you can prefer to sit on the chair, and hand in the Gyan Mudra. It also improves the concentration level. Now take few deep breaths in you need to remember the number 10. A for 3 seconds, U for 2 seconds, and M for 5 seconds. Now let's start the practice. So this is the process of chanting the Om. 10 seconds, you need to remember this. So if you are a beginner with this practice, you can start with the 11 cycles of Om early in the morning. Early in the morning time will be preferable for this practice, or if you are not able to practice early in the morning, you can still prefer the timing of evening. Starting with the 11 counts, and gradually you can increase the number of count. And if you just dedicate for just 5 to 10 minutes for this practice, and you will see a huge difference in your concentration level as well as your memory powers. So this is all about Omkar chanting, how we can chant Omkar practically, and how we can get benefits from this Omkar chanting. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video.